Even though Microsoft has officially said it's ended support for Windows 10, it actually hasn't. So before you head off to get Windows 11, there's a way to get totally free security updates for Windows 10 until at least October 2026. And who knows, maybe even longer via their published extended security update program. It takes only a few seconds to enroll for these free security updates, and it's super simple to do. Let me show you how. First, ensure your device is running the latest Windows version of updates and has all available updates installed. Then, open Settings and navigate to Windows Update. Look for the Enroll Now button or Enroll in Extended Security Updates link, which may be under the Windows 10 support ends in October 2025 heading. If it's not visible, the option is likely to be rolled out gradually, so check back after installing all updates. Then click Enroll Now and follow the prompts. You will need to sign in to a Microsoft account, and if you have not got an account, you can quickly create one. If you have already enrolled another device, the option will be Add Device and remain free. If you're not signed in with a Microsoft account, you will be prompted to sign in or create one. Once the enrollment is complete, your PC is eligible for free extended security updates until October 13th, 2026. That's it. Super simple. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so we see each other in the next video. Take care, everyone.